So guys, if you want to see how to tint a back window that has the spoiler, keep on watching. Right guys, so you need to stick that film all the way and the corners will bend sideways like this, right? But we're gonna leave at the bottom, a little bit at the bottom more, so in case we need to move it upward. So now we're just gonna pull this up, try to put it around the wiper and just shovel the film downwards. So let's do that. Right, so we shoveled all the way up as much as possible. We're gonna drop it a little bit later to finish shrinking it. So I just cut all around, so leave a little bit extra film because we might need to move it up or down. So when there is a spoiler, you need to give a little bit of extra space. So let's now shrink it. I'm doing an X kinda, not H pattern, but an X pattern, just both sides like this, you know, kinda X. And we're gonna shrink it. This one, we'll need to put something under to keep it up so we can shrink it. Right, let's start shrinking. So everybody asks me how hot maximum, that's what I use. And you see it wrinkles up, camera needs to be closer maybe. Wrinkles up and you push it down. That's how basically easy it is to shrink when you get the hang of it. Now as you can see, I have just a tape to hold up the wiper up. So we can go around that other areas after. As you see, it wrinkles up. Let's go this side because it wrinkles up and you can push it down. Wrinkles up. Very easy window. Fiat 500. Super easy. Just the only problem is the spoiler. So we go over the difficult part where the wiper is. The top is the same as everything, you know. Wrinkles up and push it, but don't push it all the way. Only the part that wrinkled up, like this area just wrinkled up, only that part. Wrinkled up, only that part. So don't push because you're gonna crease it. That's it, we're gonna cut it to shape and we're gonna apply it. So where the wiper was, we see there is a little bit left film after cutting that is not shrank. So let's shrink that. Get it hot. Let's push it down. Okay, we got it. Now the fun part. So we couldn't shrink all the way to the edge. So what you do is after you have the film like this, you put it down slightly, down something like this, tag it down this area, so you get that last piece to be shranked basically, so almost like double shrinking. So I'm gonna tag it down, don't touch any of this area, just the top edge. It's now shrank to the edge and it's gonna stick properly at the top area. Now we're gonna prepare the window. So we spray it down, then we use plastic razor blade. If you don't have it, you can use some scrubs that will not scrape your window, but I'm using the plastic razor blade because it's never gonna remove the defroster lines and it's gonna not damage the window either. And remove any glue that might be stuck from little stickers. If you've done that, you just clean off extra water, clean around the edges. Now we spray it down one more time and clean it off again. We're gonna spray it down. Now we're gonna apply the film. Right, now we need to peel off the edge. Right, as you got the edge, you peel off the liner. Now sometimes it might lift the film, so just hold it down with the finger. Make sure this edge, you can touch the edges because you're not gonna go on the window. They're gonna go on the dotted matrix. Take the film and bring it backwards. Position your hands properly so you can catch if you need. First time, get some help with someone to help you basically to hold the film in place. Put it the top edge, let the bottom hang till you get it in correct position. Slide it upwards, slide it downwards with your nails. I always use my nails. As you can see, we have way more film than we needed. So we're gonna push slightly upwards and downwards. And now we're gonna check for no white gaps around the edges. Okay? After you investigate, we're gonna squeeze out the water. Right, so now you're gonna spray it down. I suggest always double check if there's no white gaps. But from my inspection, looks like everything is okay. And we're gonna squeeze out the water. Start from the middle, push it to the side. Just like that. Take it slow if it's not too hot outside. If it's hot, you need to be faster because it's gonna stick and you're gonna have these air pockets, streaks, and bubbles. So the bottom is a little bit lifting. We're gonna put some heat and we're gonna get rid of these fingers. So as you can see, all that now is perfect. You just a little bit needed to put some heat. So everywhere around is perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me show you from outside. And this is how it looks from outside. Perfectly tinted, no bubbles whatsoever. We did tint this little mini door, that is cool. And on the other side they don't have one mini door, but we just tinted that as well. So look at this, perfect.